Hello students, today we are going to do two activities of the chapter combustion and flame. Okay, so in the first activity we're going to see that what are the conditions which are necessary for combustion. See students, in the first case, you can see that there is a burning candle, and another one, the glass is placed over a burning candle. So what does this mean? That this burning candle is taking oxygen and it is burning, because oxygen is the supporter of burning. But as soon as we put a glass over the candle, then it stops burning, because it takes up as much as oxygen which is inside this glass, but after that, when oxygen finished, then this candle stops burning, or it extinguishes, isn't it? Now let us see the second activity. In this, the paper is burning. In this activity, the paper is burning with a matchstick. What happens? It immediately burns. What do you find? See, there are some combustible substances like coal, wood, which immediately do not burn actually, isn't it? Okay, when you take a paper and you burn it with matchstick, it will take little time to burn, and when you take wood and coal, then you burn it with matchstick, then they will take more time to burn. So we concluded from these two activities that burning does not take place in absence of air, that is oxygen. Okay, so oxygen is necessary for combustion. And second observation, we have seen that to start burning, the combustible substance must be heated to above certain temperature. They require heat to burn. Clear? Now let us see the next activity, second activity. In this, we are doing that finding the difference, or you can say combustion and ignition temperature. We're going to do in this activity. What happens? See, in the first one, actually we have taken 2 cups. Okay, 2 cups, paper cups. First one is without water and second one is half filled with water. And you start burn those 2 cups. Eventually you will find that paper cup with water does not burn, whereas the paper cup without water starts burning. It is because the cup with water, because it is with water, it loses its heat to the water by conduction, because whatever heat is coming from the flame, it is transferring to the water which is filled inside this cup. Okay, so it is losing its heat with the water by conduction method. Hence its temperature does not rise. Temperature जो है, it does not rise above its ignition temperature, even when held above the candle flame. The temperature of the water rises due to the heat transferred. तो इसमें temperature कहाँ पे पहुँच जा रहा है? Temperature is transferring from flame to the water. So the temperature of this overall cup is not rising. That is why it does not catch fire. Whereas in this case, there is nothing. It is just a paper cup. It catches fire soon. Hope you understand these two activities. Keep watching. Thank you for now.